Embossing machining. Embossing machining is to create 3D work by using 2D graphics. For example, by using the Toyota logo. Select the graphics. Now go to Toolpath, Embossing Machining. Firstly, select your tool to a diameter of 5 and height 12. Now, set your machining parameters here. Border is the distance between the border of the contour and the toolpath. You can leave that at 0. Height is the total machining depth. Set that at 10. Width is the width of the toolpath. Set that at 29. Top angle is the angle formed by the vertical direction and the tool when it is entering the material. Bottom angle is the angle formed by the horizontal direction and when the tool is entering the material. You can set top and bottom angles at 0 respectively, and set overlap ratio to 80. Click refresh to refresh this part, and it will show you what the angles will look like. You can choose female or male machining type. Now choose anti-clockwise. Click OK. And the toolpath will be formed. Go to Toolpath, Toolpath Shaded Simulation. As you can see, the toolpath will try to create a 3D graph from a 2D shape. Now save the toolpath by going to Toolpath, Toolpath Output, and save it under General CNC and Feature Point A. And save it as Embossing Machining.